This is the boat that we rent to go fishing with Kim, Karen, Kenneth, me. Yeah, Kenneth. Yeah. Then the rest in front. I must behind. I must go behind. Later the camera dropped halfway. Then Karen is going to kill me. Look at the big sea.
See Changi Airport.
Can see Changi.
Got plane coming.
Cannot zoom.
Cannot zoom. Later you will profit.
Look around all the scenery. The sky. The irritating Kim. And there's another boat the other side. Can you see that? Okay, let's move on to the back to look at the rest. Hey, oh. So I'm moving on to the next, the back of the ship. Of the boat. Okay, then ta-da! Janice and Yongxing. Then our uncle.
Hello.
Ta-da! This. Yeah lor. And you want to look at our fish?
No fish.
Where?
Fish are inside got prawn.
No fish. Only got jumping prawns. Can see? Look at our drinks. Wow.
Go and take the
Drinks.
of the boat lah.
Okay, bring it in to the boat. Wang. This is what? Ke.
Hey Karen!
Then all everything. Our bags.
Your uncle!
The bags. And ta-da! What's inside here? Wow. A place to sleep. It's so dark I cannot see anything. Can you see? No.
Toilet.
And the toilet. The pathetic toilet. Ta-da!